Hello, this video is going to show you how to use Credo Information Literacy videos, tutorials, and quizzes that cover each part of the research process. Credo can be used before inviting a research librarian to your class to teach basic information literacy and research skills. This allows the librarian to focus on hands-on searching and to showcase Hazy library-specific research resources. Credo can also be placed throughout your course to reinforce research concepts or as a refresher. To get to Credo from our website, hazylibrary.erau.edu, click on Research Guides and select Credo. Students can view the tutorials using the links on this page, or you can embed the material directly into Canvas, using the LTI links to sync with the Canvas gradebook. Credo breaks research skills into sections like getting started with research, sources of information, presenting and organizing information, information ethics, searching for information, citations, and culture and citizenship. Each section has a combination of tutorials, videos, and quizzes. Tutorials like this one contain bite-sized information students can click through and complete, and can contain videos. Videos briefly teach specific topics like this one on thesis statements. For quizzes, the best option is to embed them into Canvas so you can sync with the gradebook. Using the quiz link from this page asks students to enter their information, which we then have to pull from reports and give to you. So for quizzes, embedding in Canvas makes it simpler and more direct for your students. Adding the LTI links to Canvas is easy, and if you click on the Adding an LTI Link to Canvas course, Credo provides a step-by-step instruction guide and screenshots on how to do this. You'll need a specific LTI link, which are all located in the Canvas LTI Links Excel doc. All tutorials, videos, and quizzes are listed here along with their LTI link, which you can copy and paste into Canvas. Credo is a great tool that can help students learn basic information literacy and research skills, but it doesn't cover Hazy library-specific research databases, tools, and resources. To request a research librarian in your class to ensure students can find and incorporate credible resources into their research, from hazylibrary.erau.edu, click on Services, and then Library Instruction Classes. From here, you can request course-specific instruction. We customize the research databases and skills we teach in class based on your unique course and assignment needs. You can also recommend your students book a research consultation for personalized research support. If you need research support for your students or yourself, please contact us.